Welcome back, everybody. 9.2, the last part, still talking about special right triangles, and this time we're talking about 30, 60, 90 triangles. Very specific lengths here that your 30 degrees is always going to be opposite a length of 1 if you're in a unit circle. 60 degrees is always going to be opposite the length square root of 3, 1 square root of 3. And that your 90-degree angle is always going to be opposite the hypotenuse, which is always going to be 2, or double. So if I'm looking at this in general, triangle on the right, 30 degrees is always opposite your initial length of n. 60 degrees is always going to be opposite your length of n square root of 3. And your hypotenuse is always going to be double that initial length, or 2n. So 30 degrees n, 60 degrees n square root 3, and 90 degrees 2n. Always the same, never going to change. Let's take a look at these examples then. Six is our x. So this length opposite the 60 is going to be 6 square root of 3. And this length is going to be 12. In example number 2, our x is 13 because that's opposite the 60-degree angle. And so this x is 13, and 2 times 13 is 26. Example 3, 32 was 2x, or 2n. So we're going to take 32, divide it by 2, and get 16. So 16 is our x. Makes this length down on the bottom 16. And this length opposite the 60-degree angle, 16 square root of 3. Number 4, our x is 19. So remember, this is either x square root 3 or n square root 3. So if our x is 19, down on the bottom opposite the 30 degrees, our value there is 19. And then 2 times 19 is 38. Our challenge number 2 question. Let's say that we have our 30, 60, 90 triangle. And this time, the side length that we know is 17, which is opposite the 60-degree angle. So we know the 60-degree angle is n square root of 3, or x square root of 3. So 17 is n square root of 3. Divide by the square root of 3 to get that n by itself. And then again, rationalize the denominator by multiplying the top and the bottom by the square root of 3. And so our n is 17 square root of 3 over 3. Then for our 90-degree angle, which is 2n, or 2x, you have 17 square root of 3 over 3 times 2. Remember, we can make that 2 over 1 and we multiply straight across. So 34 square root of 3 over 3. And those are going to be our side lengths. Good luck, everyone. If you need any help, reach out. Have a great day.